Welcome to Shelly's Cuisine. Today we're going to make cranberry banana squares. Well, you're supposed to use an 8x8 square pan, but I don't have one. So I'll be using a 9-inch round. But that's why it's called cranberry banana squares. So first we're going to make this in the food processor. And we're going to start off with 1 tablespoon of melted butter, a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and 1 ripe banana. And so we're going to blend that. Just going to get that mixed up. Okay, there you go. And so we'll continue with our process. Of course, I'm going to twist it with shredded coconut. So I got 1/4 cup of shredded coconut. Yes, this is healthy. 1 cup of old-fashioned oats. No steel cut oats here. No quick oats. Old-fashioned. All right. 1/2 cup of flour. Okay. And 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. All right. So we're going to mix this again. Just get that mixed up, everything incorporated. Okay. And so we have like a little ball here, just to show you. Okay. All right. We are going to put 2/3 of orange juice. So I only had 1 orange. So I squeezed that and I put the rest from regular orange juice. You can use regular orange juice if you don't have any fresh squeezed. Okay, so 2/3 cup of orange juice. You need 3 tablespoons of cranberries. You can use the dried cranberries. I like to use the fresh, so it's fresh. Okay? And we need 2 teaspoons of fresh grated orange peel. Okay, and also if you don't have fresh grated orange peel, McCormick sells orange peel that's grated, a dry version in the bottle, and it's always good to have that on hand. Of course, I'm gonna put Vietnamese cinnamon. How would it be twisted without that? And I love vanilla extract, so I'll just put a little bit of that. So about a teaspoon of Vietnamese cinnamon and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And so we have all our ingredients in. Just want to see what's happening. So I just want to blend this kind of, so maybe I should pulse it. Okay, and we don't want to pulse this too much because we do want the cranberries to break up a little bit, but we don't want them to be mush. Okay, that's it. It's ready. Ready, got my pan greased. And all we have to do is just put this in our pan. And remember, these are like squares. So it's going to be low. We want the batter to be low. Okay. And we're going to slice it when it's finished baking. I actually think this got stuck. Hold on. Can you believe it? My goodness. Guess you can't cook without problems. Okay, and we'll smooth this out. And guess what? It was that simple. It's ready to bake. We're going to put this in the oven at 400 for about 35 to 40 minutes until it's done. Our cranberry banana squares, yeah, I know it looks round, is ready. So we are going to put a little bit of agave and just brush that in, not too much, You just want some kind of glaze. And remember, this is not something that rises, so it's going to be kind of flat because it's like a snack. All right, so we're going to cut it. So I'm going to cut it, maybe not squares, but into triangles. And you'll get to see what it looks like inside. Okay. My daughter loves this. She's always trying to eat it and finish it. And if I wanted, I could cut again, and I could go even a little bit smaller. But I'm going to stop there. And so, there you go. That's pretty cool. And so now, you have cranberry. And these are great for breakfast. They're good to add to a tea party, but of course for a tea party, you would cut them a little bit smaller. Very nice consistency. And so, our cranberry breakfast squares. I know I'm still calling them squares, but I used a round pan, so forgive me. Thank you for visiting Shelly's Cuisine. We would like you to subscribe and hit the notification button. And please tune in next week to find out what we will make next.